Yo, hello everybody. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. All right, all right. That's very good. Yup, 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 yup. Happy Sunday, everybody. Hope you guys are doing great anyway. All right, let's get it. Let's get it, man. So let's start with today's analysis. Analysis for the week. Yep. So let's get it. Let's get it, man. Let's go. All right. Um. Okay. All right, guys. That's good. That's good. That's good. Come on, everybody. Yo, how you guys doing? Israel the Trader speaking right here. So yeah. Um, you know, in today's live analysis for the week, we'll do a lot of analysis, man. All right. So that's very good. Yep. 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 Let's get it. I'll check out some stuffs so that we can know what exactly to do and things like that. I think this was last week. All right. So let's see what is gonna happen around this area. All right, guys, let's start. All right, but let me share the links with my students and things like that first. It is very, very important, right? Because they have to join us as well. So let me share it with them. All right. Try to share it with them, man, so that they can join us. Let's get it. Let's get it. Come on, everybody. All right. Let's get it. Let's get it. About to get things started, man. Yup. All right, guys. So yeah, we're about to start now. Come on, everybody. Let's get this started. Yeah, I'm cool, man. Tino is saying, hi, Israel. How are you doing? I'm cool. I'm cool. I'm cool. Thank you very much for asking. Thank you very much for asking. All right. So, right. Somebody is saying, which is Nicholas, is saying Nasdaq analysis, please. All right. We're trying to check it out. And Oscar is saying, good morning, my mentor. Yeah, good morning, sir. How are you doing? How are you doing? How are you doing? I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. That's good. That's good. All right. VIX 75 analysis, please. All right, all right. I'm trying to check out all of these things that you guys are saying, right? I will check Nasdaq. I will check volatility 75, and anything that you guys ask us of now, I got to check it out. All right, guys. Let's get things started. All right, just give me some seconds. Them trying to check something. I want to check the strength and things like that for this live stream, right? It is very, very important. Okay, all right. Yeah, here we go now. We'll start with this the first pair that we have from you guys, right? Which is Nasdaq. So I will start this analysis with Nasdaq, then I will not go with the remaining ones, right? All right, so let's start analysis of Nasdaq. My mindset was to start this analysis of Euro USD, GBP USD, before we now continue with some stuffs in the market, right? But right now, since you guys are saying Nasdaq, VIX 75 and things like that, let's go with Nasdaq first. Then we go back down to the remaining pairs, and maybe lastly, we can now do the pair that I wanted to do, right? So right guys, so this is Nasdaq. Come on everybody, Nasdaq is gonna go for a buy right now. So this is the analysis that I still have on Nasdaq, and you guys see what happened. It has played out according to my analysis, right? This was the analysis I did, I think it was last week, something like that. But this time I'm not actively trading Nasdaq. But right now, you see what exactly happened. The market came down for retracement, where exactly I said that the market will come down for retracement, and now boom, pushing back to the upside, right? You see my trend line got broken, and you see my key level right here. I say that it's gonna come down for retracement to this point, right? You see that my trend line got broken right now. Retest on this previous trend line that just got broken. Now you're trying to push back up to the upside, right? So my opinion on Nasdaq right now, once the market opens and spread settle, it's gonna continue to push back up to the upside, and your stop loss is gonna be right below this my key level, right? Because once the market break out of this, it's gonna continue to go down to the downside, and you don't want to continue to ride the losing trade, right? So this is my analysis on Nasdaq, and also I will screenshot this in case if the move happen, right? But me personally, let me tell you that I'm not going to trade this Nasdaq for now, because I'm thinking of starting to trade Nasdaq, US 30, and all of this volatility 75 and things like that during at maybe June or July of this year, right? June, July of this year, I gotta start back to trade all of these volatile pairs. So that's what I'm just thinking of, and that's the reason why I'm not trading all of these pairs for now. So I gotta trade them next time when I decide to, right? Because I'm kind of focusing on some stuff right now, so I don't want my students to be trading all of these volatile pairs, especially if they are trying to grow their small account, right? It is not recommendable. So I don't recommend you guys to trade this if you are just trying to grow your small account, right? It is very, very important to stay away from volatile pairs and things like that. So this is my opinion on Nasdaq right now, guys. So yeah, I'm expecting Nasdaq to continue to push back up to this previous resistance line, and from there you can now take your profit, and let's see what exactly is going to happen right around this area, right? So yep. So I'm expecting Nasdaq to come up to this level, guys. Okay, this 1 hour time frame, and I got to change the color to this, and I'll pin it, right? Lock it. So that's it. Put this trend line and things like that together with you right here, because I had this analysis on Nasdaq before the market even played out what you are seeing right around this area, right? So right now, this is what I'm seeing on Nasdaq. This analysis is still valid for me, so you can now check it out and see exactly what you are thinking about this Nasdaq analysis and things like that, guys. So yep, that's what I'm seeing, guys. Let me know if you have any other question regarding this Nasdaq before we continue to another pairs in the market, right? Because you guys gave me about 3 or 4 pairs right now, because from here we'll go back down to volatility 75, and from volatility 75 we'll go down to CAD CHF, because that's another pair that has been requested for us to analyze today, right? So yeah, guys, that's what I'm seeing right now on Nasdaq. Like I said earlier on, if you have any question, you can let me know right now before I continue to another pair. Is there any question? Let me ask the person that kind of sells to analyze this. Nicholas, is there any question regarding a Nasdaq analysis? If you have any question, I'll gladly answer you. Just write it down in the comments, in the live chat section. I'll be able to see your question, and I'll answer you right away. So let me know, guys, if you have any question. And in respect of that, let me go down to volatility 75. So now I'll go down and analyze V75. And remember last time, guys, I said that V75 is going to continue to sell to the downside, right? Let me go back down to CAD CHF, because that's another pair that has been requested from us by Oscar, right? I think Oscar requested that. And let me check it out, CAD CHF. So it's gonna be in Forex, not crypto. Yup, let's wait for it to load, and this guy also is still loading, which is volatility 75, right? So this is called CHF right now. I like to use FXCM. So let's see what is happening. Okay, CHF eventually break out of this. So as CHF break out of this, the market is going to continue to push back up to the upside. You see CHF as well, I still have my analysis on it and things like that, right? So I still have my analysis on these guys, and since we now see a breakout of this, go broken, now let's expect a retracement to this point. The market will just retrace to this point and continue to move back up to the upside. So this analysis on CHF is still valid, and this is just what I'm seeing on CHF. You know, I'm expecting the market to continue to push back up to the upside, and this is volatility 75. So let's just finish with CHF. You know, I still have my analysis on CHF anyway. So right now, this is what I'm just seeing on CHF. It will come down to this point and retrace to this point before it will continue to push back up to the upside. So if you have any question regarding this CHF analysis, you know, you can just let me know. Hey Israel, I have a question about this, about that, and things like that, right? You can just let me know, and let's see what exactly is going to happen, guys. Yeah, if you have any question, CHF, is there any question before I move on? Okay, somebody's asking what price is that for NASDAQ, because he said that he can't clearly see what exactly is happening. So let me tell you which price is that, so that you can understand it, right? So right now NASDAQ is, I say, it's going to continue to push back up to the upside, and it's, you know, the stop loss for NASDAQ right now is around price 12674.4. 12674.4. That's the stop loss. Your entry points, it depends on when the market opens, right? And the final TP is 13765.7. That's the price. So you see, that's just it. And I say that your entry point is gonna be, depends on how the market opens. If the market opens with gap, you know, your entry point is gonna either adjust to the upside or adjust to the downside, right? So now wait for the market to open before you get into this trade. But I've told you that where your stop loss and take profit is going to be, right? And final TP. So right now, and also your stop loss is going to depend on where the market is moved to when it opens, right? Because as the market push back up to the upside, your stop loss is going to reduce to the upside. If it opens with gap to the downside, your stop loss is going to increase to the downside. But let's see what exactly is going to happen when the market opens, right? It is very, very important for you to wait for that. So that's just you guys on this NASDAQ. So let me go back down to CHF, right? Okay, that's CHF. CHF. All right, like I say, I still have my analysis on CHF as well. So CHF, I say wait for it to come down for retracement to around price 0.74034. That's what I'm expecting. CHF to come down for retracement before it to push back up to the upside. So wait for CHF to come down to retrace to around price 0.74034. That's the price that you need CHF to come down and retrace. Then look out for some sort of candlestick patterns or price action signals for you to get in on this CHF in order for you to ride it all the way to the upside or to the downside. It depends on where you are expecting it to go, right? That's just it about it. All right, guys. So yeah, that's what I'm seeing on CHF. And if there's any other question, you can let me know right now before I move on to other pairs in the market as well, right? Remember, today we got 1 hour to spend right here live on YouTube, and I will go and organize my premium call with my premium students, right? Because you know you have to kind of have a call with me as well. So yeah, let me see. Okay, so you said that no question. All right, that's very good. Yeah, just a quick reminder, guys. If today's the first time right here, my name is Israel the Trader, and all I do right here on YouTube, I unblock Forex secret for you, right? Because I need you to be profitable in the Forex market. That's what I'm just unblocking this Forex secret for you. So yeah, what I just need from you is for you to subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also share with your friends and family. It will help the channel to reach out to more people or more traders like you if you just give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. That's just it, guys, and that's just what I want from you. And that just it. All right, let me continue with your question. So what price is that price for Nasdaq, chief? I can't see clearly. Okay, I've answered that. And AU, okay, somebody is saying AUD USD, right? I was trying to check AUD USD as well. So no question side going. All right, thank you very much, sir. And Tino is saying, hi Israel, what happened with BTC on IC markets? Broker, you saw that? I sent you a picture yesterday. Okay, yeah, I've seen it. I've seen it. So that's what that was just some sort of bug, and that was not what is it called? A real market cap, That's no market price rather. So that was just some sort of bug in the market that happened with IC market. So the BTC price is still same as the way it is. All that happened on IC market, that was just some sort of bug in the market. It's not a valid move, So good day, please help me analyze Euro All right, I'll try to check it out as well as time goes on. If you still have time, I'll analyze it. But if you don't have time, it is what it is. I'll stop at where I'm able to stop, right? That's just it. So okay, yeah, that's just because it is advisable to sell retracement on CAD-CHF. Nah, don't try and sell. Don't even try to sell CAD-CHF, man. Don't try and sell CAD-CHF because it is not advisable at all. Like 0%. Don't even sell it. Wait for retracement to finish and buy it. That's just what I can say. Because don't ever go against the trend. It is not recommendable except you have a vital reason for you to buy or sell, against the trend, right? So it is very, very important. All right, like I said earlier on, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up, right? It is very, very important and it helps out a lot, guys. It helps out a lot. So make sure you do that as time goes on. All right, so yeah, let's go down to volatility 75. That's the next pair that we are having right now on board, right? I kept to my promise, guys. Like, I don't know for how long I'll continue to analyze all this volatility 75 for you. Come on, everybody. What's going on, man? What's going on? How many times will I even continue to? And I just observed that the same person has been asking of this analysis and things like that, which is this. And thank you for continuing to come and watch our live stream anyway. Which is who is that person? Let me catch the person. Nicholas. It is Nicholas, man. I don't know why you like all these volatile pairs, bro. Come on, everybody. Nicholas, all right. Anyway, let's continue, guys. So yeah, I will not change my perspective on regarding this analysis or whatever. I'm still on sale, man. I'm still saying that it must reach this level. You see, in my previous analysis, I said that it must reach this level, right? So it must reach down to this level before I give up on sell on this volatility 75. If it did not reach this level, definitely I'll continue to tell you that this market is going to continue to sell, and sell. So that's just me, man. That's just me, because that I'm a swing trader, so I don't easily give up on long-term setups. I remember where we started this analysis for this pair being volatility 75. It was around here. If you go and check our previous live weekly analysis, I guess so, because I think it was 4 weeks ago, something like that. So this was where the market is when I said that the market is going to sell from here, right? And what do you see happening now on volatility 75? Boom, pushed back down to the downside. So right now, as you see that my trend line is still pushing to the downside, and I say it must come down and touch this level before I will give up on this. Come on, everybody. So I don't give up. I don't easily give up, man. Like Elon Musk said, he said he don't ever give up on his dreams. Like you don't ever give up, man. So don't give up. Don't ever give up, man. Don't give up. Continue to strive for success. I'm not successful because compare me to all of these rich people in the whole world, right? Or compare me to some sort of forex traders. I'm not successful at all. I'm still striving and struggling of how I can reach that $1 billion. Come on, baby. 1 billion, I don't know if I reach 100,000. I don't know. I can't really remember if I reach that. So it is what it is. So let's get it. Let's get it, man. So, I'm just happy. I'm just happy at where I am right now. I'm just happy. Just pretty happy, man. Just happy. Sorry. I'm trying to grab some water. The fridge is kind of far from me. So that's why I was trying to stretch out and pick it up. All right, thank God for that. Okay, guys, so yeah, volatility 75 right now. I'm still saying that it's gonna continue to sell to this point, bro. It's gonna continue to sell to this point, and of course, before you can determine that okay, it's gonna continue to sell to this point, we have to see another price action signals around this area. And if we did not see any other price action signals here, and if you see the market breaks out and continue to push back up, there's a possibility of the market coming up to this level to reach this trend line before it will push back down to the downside. And also, let me show you the key level that the market will react to when it tries to come to that our trend line, right? So you see this. So what the market will do is, after it breaks out of this, to come up to this point before to push back down to the downside. So that's what I'm seeing on volatility 75. So is there any question regarding this, guys? Is there any question? If there's any question, you can let me know before I continue, right? Before I continue. Nicholas, is there any question, man? Is there any question, sir? You can let me know. Is there any question? Is there any question? Is there any question, guys? You can let me know if there's any other question before we continue. All right. So I think in the absence of that, let me go down and continue with the forex analysis, which is gonna be currency pairs, right? With the currency pairs, right? All right. So somebody did ask of. Okay, yeah, I'll take single pair from each person today. I'm not going to take multiple pairs and things like that. And somebody is saying, okay, it is advisable to say, okay, yeah, I think I've answered that question. And Sherry is saying, what about USD JPY? All right, I'll try to check it out as well. Then John 24. Oh, come on, man. John, how you doing, bro? Hi, bro, feeling the vibe. Keep winning. Thank you very much, sir. John is one of my classmates, so you say hi, bro, feeling the vibe. Come on, man. Thank you very much, bro. Yeah, welcome here. And thank you for the support, man. Thank you for the support. So yeah, English with Danny. Oh wow, English with Danny. Come on, man. Hi, Israel. Please analyze NZD card. All right, I'll try to check NZD card as well. What you said to Euro USD, okay, I will check Euro USD as well and see what exactly is happening on that pair as well. All right, so the next pair that we have here is after the V75. The next pair is what we refer as which pair is the next one now? Which pair is the next one? Okay, Euro JPY. Euro JPY is the next. Oh, nah, AUD USD. PK ask of AUD USD, so let me go and check on AUD USD as well, because I want to be picking one pairs from each and every one of you. I will not be picking maybe double pair or things like that from some of you guys and things like that. So let me go down to AUD USD and see exactly what is going to happen on AUD USD. I think this is AUD USD right now. Come on, everybody. I still have my analysis on ADUSD as well. Yep, let's get it. Okay, let me ask something, guys. What do you see on ADUSD right now by me looking as a trader? You know, the way we look things is different from how a ordinary person or civilians, right? You know, we call those people that they are not forex traders. I call them civilians, you know. So the way you as a trader look at this chart now and compare it to how a civilian is looking at this chart, you know, what do you personally see as a trader? What do you see right now on this 4-hour time frame ADUSD chart? What do you see right now? Just let me know. Come on, everybody. Let me know before I continue to analyze this ADUSD. So what do you see, guys? This is how you learn some stuff, man. This is how you learn some stuff. You don't just expect me to do everything for you. You gotta learn, man. You gotta learn. That's why I do ask all of these questions in order for you to know, oh, how this is how we do it, this is how we do it, you know. And if you did not answer me correctly, I will correct you right away. That's how you amend some of your mistakes, guys, and that's how you understand where you are lagging, right? So you gotta ask question. You gotta ask question. So English with Danny is saying, I see down movement. All right. Your answer is incorrect. Your answer is incorrect. Come on. All right. Maybe I will organize something, guys. I will create some audio. So if you maybe answer correctly or whatever, you know, I got a shout out for you, and you know, and things like that. And if you did not answer it correctly, oh my goodness, the audio is not gonna be funny, man. It's not gonna be funny. All right. So that's incorrect. That's incorrect, Danny. English with Danny. That's incorrect. That's incorrect. You got to work on market structure. So understand how market structure works first before you be able to see how all of these things move, right? No. So okay. Oscar is saying inverted head and shoulder. Come on, everybody. You got to clap for Oscar. You got to clap for him. So Oscar is one of my premium students right here, answering the right answer, giving me the right answer, right? Come on, Oscar. Shout out for you guys. Shout out for you, man. So that's exactly the first thing that comes into your mind. Inverted head and shoulders. Come on, man. Come on, man. You got to invest in yourself, man. You see the difference between my premium students and the difference between you know, some of. Come on, I will not continue to stress myself, man. We teach everything, and this is exactly what's happening on AUDUSD for our time frame right now. Inverted head and shoulders. Let me confirm that so that you can see exactly what we mean, right? Inverted head and shoulders. How do you put this head and shoulders now? This is the left shoulder. This is the left shoulder. This is the head. Then we have okay, let me try to do something so that it will align with that. So what is this? This is exactly head and shoulder. Just by the fact that you are seeing that the market is kind of pushing down like this, right? So this is a perfect inverted head and shoulders. This is head and shoulders pattern, guys, in order for the market to ride all the way to the upside. I know you might be thinking, okay, the market did not reach up to this level. Then why do I call it inverted head and shoulders, right? The market is not going to be giving you a perfect moves every time in the market. This is some sort of trick that all these market makers use to deceive people, guys, you know. So maybe you can say, oh, since the market is pushing down like this, it's going to continue to move to the downside, right? This is a down trading market and things like that. Nah, that's not it. So the first thing that comes into your mind is inverted head and shoulders. And you see that I have my key level right around this area, right? I have my key level here. So this is where I'm supposed to buy this market, ride it all the way to the upside. So you can go down to the 1 hour time frame. So this 1 hour time frame right now, And you see that my trend line right here got broken, right? You see, this is how the trend line is supposed to be. Let me do it like this so that you can understand that this trend line got broken. So yeah, you see that the trend line got broken. And what do you say? If you are one of my students as well, you know, you can understand exactly what I'm talking about right here, man. You can understand it. So what do you see right here? As ITT premium students, what do you see right here? As ITT premium students, come on everybody. So I have to be asking them now all of this. And also you can create a trend line around this area, right? So you can start from here. You can create a trend line like that in order for the market to continue to push to the upside. So this is how trend line is gonna be. Don't start from here, because you start from there, this was just some sort of fake out. You see that the market went back in again. So that's just it. Now you have seen 1, 2, 3 touches. And also if you are the premium student, you gotta know how we plot our trend line. And because I do tell you guys the type of touches that you need and all of these stuff, right? So you see, boom, 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 boom. And what do you see as ITT premium students? Come on everybody, come on everybody. That's the next thing that's supposed to happen, right? So I'm just making reference of my students so that you can understand exactly that, you know, I do teach them. I don't just maybe do all these stuffs and trying to make mouth and saying things like that, right? I do teach them, guys. I do teach them. I teach what exactly I say I teach. So I'm not just making marks and things like that. So you see that this is 1 to 2 risk ratio. If you want to just maybe intraday or things like that, this is 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. All right, you know, they know exactly what I'm talking about right now. They know exactly what I'm talking about. Come on everybody. Yeah, you know. Okay, inverted head and shoulders. All right, that's it, inverted head and shoulders. And also no, sorry, I see an up movement. It has come back to test the recently broken structure. Now it's back to retest it and going up. Yeah, exactly, back to retest. And right now, so Nips is saying head and shoulders are the blue. At that blue level, break of the neck test, a huge push up, maybe. Yeah, exactly, a huge push up to the upside, man. And Oscar is saying thanks boss, higher high and higher lows. Yeah, exactly, come on. That's just it, man. It's very simple, you know. Forex trading is just simple if you know exactly what you are doing in the market. And you know, the next thing here is that we use a lot of candlestick pattern. We use candlestick pattern, you know, to trade in the market as well. That just it. And that's what I'm seeing on AUD. I'm seeing that the market will move for about 80 pips before we can see another move after it breaks out of this level, right? So the final take